Few supercars actually get driven on a daily, but the 2023 Audi R8 seems designed for it. It offers a reasonably easygoing ride along with its breakneck acceleration. The R8 shares its underpinnings and its powertrain a mighty V10 and a 7-speed auto. The interior is comfortable for both the driver and the passenger. If this particular cross-section of performance and luxury appeals to you, now's the time to act, as this is the final year of the Audi's V10-powered masterpiece. This year marks the end of the current generation R8. Audi is sending off the supercar with a limited edition GT model, which is offered exclusively with rear-wheel drive and 602 horsepower version of the car's V10 engine. The base R8 comes standard with an adaptive suspension, while performance models are fitted with a more aggressive fixed damper setup. The standard steering setup is direct and relays information from the road to the driver's hand with sufficient feel. Its looks are unique, its driving experience is absolutely phenomenal. With an exotic appearance and luxurious interior. The R8 is not the best at corners, but much better at cruising. The R8 is a supercar for those who care as much about making a remarkable entrance. An extraordinary exhaust note. Eye-catching design and style. Like,